Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to load Marlin 25NM 22 Magnum magazine with 3D printed loader. Link to the loader you can find in description. There is 4 simple steps how to do this. First, press loader, insert round, lift loader, push. Press, insert, lift, push. Press, insert, lift, push, and repeat the process. Simple and easy. That's it.